Hello everyone, Namaskar. Welcome to English with Adi. In this video is for beginners who just started learning this language. They are wondering for material. They are wondering what to use first, what to start, from where to start, what to learn first, what resources should we follow. This video is going to be very important for you because I am going to tell you that you don't need to worry about so many kinds of things, about so many apps, about so much material, because I can relate with you. When I started, I was also a beginner. Everyone goes from beginner phase to advanced phase. Everyone starts with beginning. When I was thinking about learning this language as a beginner, I just used to use YouTube. I did not worry about any apps like Duolingo and Ace Fluency. Literally speaking, I did not worry about any other apps. In this social media era, there are so many apps available. Literally speaking, you don't need to use these apps as a beginner. As a beginner, use YouTube. Only YouTube will solve your doubts. Only YouTube will improve your fluency. Literally speaking, 90% of my learning came from YouTube. I did not use so many apps. I did not use. As a beginner, I used to use only YouTube. So if you are worrying about that I don't have the resources, I should not learn this language because I don't have. I should join some paid classes in Guru and Ace Fluency or other AI apps. Those are coming day by day. New kinds of AI apps has been developed. You are worrying about those apps, but believe me, you don't need at all these apps. You don't have to use. As a beginner, just use YouTube. The 90% of your learning will be improved by YouTube, only by YouTube. There are so many good channels where you can look for, where you can watch, where you can learn so many things, and you can clear your concepts. You can know about the facts. You can understand. You can practice of listening. You can do whatever you want. You can watch speeches. Even you can enjoy, and with that you can learn. I will highly recommend, just use YouTube. Don't worry about so many things. Don't worry. YouTube is best resource. YouTube is best resource. Literally, YouTube is best resource. And apart from YouTube, you can read books, you can write, and you can practice. From your single day, you have to practice. Okay, so in this video, I just wanted to clear your doubts that what should we do first. So without any doubt, without hesitating, I am saying to you that only YouTube. Comment on my video, okay? On what topic do I have to make videos? Please comment. I will make for you, okay? Have a good day. We will meet in another specific video. Bye bye.